Welcome to the C-Suite at the Open video series with TMX Group. I'm Arnie Goldstein, Head of Company Services based out of Vancouver. Joining me today is Ian Klassen, the President and CEO of Grande Portage Resources Limited. Welcome, Ian. Thanks for joining me today.
Thanks, Arnie. Pleasure to be here.
So, Ian, would you tell me or give me the elevator pitch for Grande Portage? What's the story here?
You bet. The long and short of it is we trade a couple of corporate facts, perhaps first, that will help your viewers. We trade on the TSX Venture, of course. We also trade on the OTC QB and in Frankfurt. We have about 78 million shares issued in the company currently. 800 shareholders approximately, of whom 5 are very large shareholders owning about 5 million shares or more each. Just last Friday, we were very happy to welcome Eric Sprott as our single largest shareholder when he subscribed for 10 million units of our financing. Management and the board are very committed. We own about 15 million shares. The company has about 19 million warrants. If exercised, which are all in the money currently, we'll bring another approximately $5 million into the treasury.
Nice. Let's talk about some catalysts that can positively affect your business over the near term here.
You bet. The most obvious catalyst that's happened in 2020 for the juniors is the rise in the backdrop of the commodities market, with gold going up approximately $500 this year. It's certainly done a wonder for bringing attention to the junior resource space. So, as you know, it attracts interest in the producers first, and the intermediates, and then the juniors get the luxury to be able to fill the treasuries and get to work on their projects that they have got in their portfolio. Another catalyst would be obviously drilling success. We have filed 3 resource calculations in our company since we've had the Herbert Gold project in Southeast Alaska. The most recent one was in 2019, where we saw a really nice increase in both grade and ounces. We currently have a 43-101 compliant report of 606,500 ounces indicated at over 10 grams and 251,000 at just over 14 grams.
That's great. Nice to keep the drill spinning, particularly with the money in the treasury.
No question, because essentially that's the biggest truth meter in any junior exploration story, and anytime we get the opportunity to drill, we do.
Well, exactly. What are the 3 things you'd like to highlight with any existing or potential investors that are watching today, get them to lean in just a little further?
Well, I mean, we've got a very dynamic property. It's a mesothermal vein system in a very safe jurisdiction. We've identified very prominent veins within the structure. They're visible on surface somewhere around 1 kilometer in length. Mesothermal veining is known to go 3,000, 3,500 feet deep from surface. We've really only gone down about 240, 250 meters. So there's an awful lot of upside potential in the property itself. The fact that we're fully funded for a drill program this year and likely beyond is another important thing. And, most recently to have Eric Sprott's interest and stamp of approval on what we've been able to build thus far and go forward, I think says a lot for some of the hard work and effort that our geological team has put in place.
Yeah, well, that's a good sign for sure. Tell me, what does being listed on the Venture Exchange mean for both the company and its stakeholders?
Well, I think it's the home of venture capital. The resource base is very strong. We've got an incredible base of professionals that work in and around the TSXV. It gives everybody worldwide a comfort level. I think that oversight is a very important feature of the exchange and its issuers. So people should take comfort investing their hard-earned dollars in companies that are listed. And it's also the cornerstone of where money intersects with good stories. And I think that I don't know of an exchange that in fact has raised more money for junior mining historically, and certainly that would be true in 2020.
That's great. And that's exactly what the venture system is for, is raise money or raise capital, spin drills. Raise capital, spin drills.
Yep.
Any final thoughts today?
No, I just hope you and your viewers are safe, and we should have news out throughout the course of the summer and into the fall. And thank you very much for your time today.